Hey guys, I'm back with another edition of your Monday Market Update. Just want to fill you in on what's happened this past week in our local real estate market. So there are currently 48 homes active on market in our area. If you've been following along, you might realize this is actually the lowest we've seen. So since January of this year. The average list price is $238, which is still great. Most of the average list price over the past several weeks have maintained in the mid-twos, so that's really good for our area. There were 5 new homes that hit market this past week, and there are 93 pending. There was also that same number pending last week. So obviously some have sold off and some new ones have come on because we had 14 sales this past week with an average list price of $178 to an average sale price of $173, which is really good for our area. Those numbers have been maintaining very closely together as far as the list price to the sales price, so that's really good. And then average days on market was 80, which is a really good number for our area. Last week it was 112. So clearly that's gonna fluctuate quite a bit because we're reporting week to week, but those are really good numbers for our area. So I hate to be a broken record, guys, but overall, the theme remains the same. Our inventory is at an all-time low. Prices are up, homes are selling. It's a great time to consider it if you want to maximize the value in your home. On the flip side, if you are a buyer, though it is hard to find a home, think about the rates right now. Think about this is tax return time. There's a lot of things going on within the economy that can also help in your purchasing power too. And like I mentioned before, just because it's not on market doesn't mean we can't find it for you. So look forward to reporting more for you guys next week.